Hi, so this is my kind of good attempt of running ManyEars with JACK. I'm here, as you can see, JACK is already running. I'll give you a little of a chance to see the setup, which is basically real-time, soft mode for 16-bit, which is basically more or less required. What is really required for ManyEars to work is that this variable here, count frames per period, which is 512. It needs to be that. And I'm going to show you very quickly right now when I switch to video all the 8 microphones, how they are installed. But before I do that, I want to show you that 8 Sounds USB audio is used as the primary input device as well as the output device. Right. So right now that's how it's running. Before I do that, let me switch to video. Yeah, so this is the cube that we're using. You may not see it that well in the video there, but every corner of that cube is there's a microphone right in there. You can see here. So there's a microphone there, microphone there, microphone there, microphone there, etc. And all of that is connected to our little 8 Sounds USB board, which is then connected to the USB all the way to the computer, and the other bit is the output, which is just in case we need some audio, right? So I'm gonna go back to where we were here. Okay, let's see if everything shows well. This is the first time I record this. So in the manner that you're seeing it right now, which is basically here, you see me right now, this will be the minus 90 degrees in the horizontal plane, and I've configured ManyEars, and I'll switch that around right now, of where there's a imaginary point right in the middle of the cube. So that would mean that this is the 0 degrees, minus 90 degrees. So I'm saying more or less almost like 30, maybe 45 degrees from here on out. Right now I'm going to switch over to ManyEars, and to pull it out here, ManyEars, oh, that's not correct. There we go, ManyEars. Beautiful, nice, beautiful thing. And this is the beautiful part, which is now with JACK, it seems to see right there that the system is all well and good. I'm going to put OK on that. I'm going to load the parameters for the system for this cube here, which is already covered. And as you would see in the position, this is the minus almost 23 centimeters from the middle point of the cube. I'm using the default particle filters and beamforming and mixtures, as well as the soundtrack parameters. So let's see how this goes. Don't start, and if everything goes well here, so there it is. It's working very well. At least it's capturing stuff right now. It's actually now seeing me, because right now where I'm sitting is right on the back side of the cube. That's why the 180 degrees here. I'm going to switch to caption on caption right now. Hi. So this is me now, and interestingly now, as you can see, there's me talking around more or less minus 90 degrees, more or less in the horizontal plane, and more or less 30 degrees, like I said before, on the vertical plane. What's interesting though is that ManyEars is still having a little bit of trouble to know which one am I. As you can see, there is the from pink now, and now I'm kind of maybe reddish or maybe brown kind of deal there going on. But even though if I start moving around and keep talking, as you can see, the horizontal plane is tracking me very well. The vertical plane is not changing because, well, I'm not declining. But however, if I do that and just go a little bit more to the bottom here, as you can see, the vertical plane is also more or less following me. It's more or less in the 0 degrees in the vertical plane here, which is great. As you can see then is that everything is working very well, and it's working with Jack, which is something that I'm going to propose to the guys from the IntRoLab in University of Sherbrooke, so that they can also use that as part of the thing, as part of their environment. It's working very well. I'm actually kind of surprised at the amount of robustness that is carrying out, even though that I'm still very close to it. Right now I'm actually quite close, and even closer than the difference of the microphones. But even then, I'm just gonna pause there so you can see better the difference of the thing. So I'm gonna just move here, and you can see very nice, very well. Even though that I'm very close to the cube, it's doing a very good job at tracking me. I'm still, what I want to experiment with now is to use this in a with a more distance point of view and with different people. We did some preliminary testing, and it was kind of having a hard time in following two persons at the same time. But something tells me that the environment that we're here in, because it's a very low ceiling, it's also hollow walls, which is, I think, maybe some factors there, or that we need to tune more the beamforming or particle filters parameters. Still though, it's doing a very good job at tracking me, which I'm definitely now considering maybe using this with our service robot, Golem. So thank you very much, and I hope very good job with the guys from IntRoLab. I'm going to get in touch as soon as I can. Bye.